In this guide, I'm going to show you where you can find the boss that drops the Dismantle Fang and the fastest way to farm it, as well as craft the Sukuna fighting style once you do get it. Before we do get to this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point that this guide did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now obviously first get into Sailor Piece and make sure the character that you have is strong enough to fight tougher bosses. You're going to want a solid build with decent stats before even attempting this farm because it is a little bit difficult. But essentially the boss that you need to defeat has around 5 million HP, so obviously going in underpowered is going to make it way more difficult. But go ahead and interact with this little portal over here, and once you get to this portal, you're going to want to go all the way to Shibuya Station. Once you go ahead and get to Shibuya Station, head towards the main station area because that is where the boss is actually going to spawn for you. So teleport to it and then go and head towards the station just like so. Now, Sukuna is going to respawn roughly every 7 minutes and 30 seconds, so if the boss is not here when you do arrive, you can either just wait for the next spawn, or you could server hop to find a server where the boss is already active, and when he does spawn, prepare for a very tough fight. The boss usually uses powerful attacks and curse energy abilities that can deal pretty heavy damage. What I'd recommend doing is staying mobile, dodging wide attacks, and keep applying, as much damage as you possibly can, and using your abilities or melee combos. But to actually qualify for the boss rewards, you have to deal at least 10% of the boss's total damage, so make sure that you are actively participating in the fight and not just sitting in the area. If possible, I'd recommend fighting this with your friends. It'll just make it a little bit easier. But the Dismantle Fang has about an 8% drop chance, so it may take several attempts for you to actually go ahead and get this. Keep that in mind. Just keep defeating the Sukuna boss repeatedly until it drops Cursed Fingers, Crimson Hearts, and of course all of the Sukuna accessories, which can be super useful later when crafting stronger builds. Once you finally have it, go ahead and head to the Sukuna Trainer NPC in Shibuya Station as well. And then to unlock the Sukuna fighting style, you're going to need several materials and resources, including 1,250,000 cash, 5,000 gems, 6 Cursed Fingers, 3 Dismantle Fangs, and 1 Crimson Heart. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.